want you to do one thing for me today. And that's keep fighting. Keep going through this problem, this situation. Don't give up. Put one foot in front of the other. That's how you're going to make it through this, past this, over this. It's going to take the dog mentality. It's going to take you getting a hold of this thing and not letting go. You're going to have to fight and fight and fight till you can't fight anymore. I know people say, hold on, it'll be over soon. It won't last always. But if you put in your mind at this moment that whatever it takes, I will do whatever I have to do to get to the other side, to make it over, to press through this. Nothing will hold me back. Nothing will stop me. That is the power that you have to speak something into existence. Your dreams are waiting on you. Your goals are waiting on you. Your future, you are waiting on you. So quit wasting time complaining, moaning, being depressed, stressed. Snap out of it and snap into reality. This world will give you whatever you accept. But if you speak something and you believe it, this world will do whatever you want it to do for you. You can be whoever you want to be. No, it's not always glory and fame. Sometimes it's heartache and pain. But if you push through those times, the sun will rise on your life. You will reach the top of that mountain. But there's something special about you. Each and every one of us has something that this world needs. And only you can flip that switch. This message is for you. This message is for those of you who are at your breaking point. You've come to a point in your life where you say, I can't take this anymore. I don't want to go through this anymore. I don't want to live another day. This message is for you, that single mother who's tired of working 2 and 3 jobs just to make it for your children. Tomorrow is a brighter day. But today, you have to deal with the problems and the situations that you go through. This message is for you, that father who's working 60, 70 hours a week just to make ends meet. Go stronger, just another day. Your breakthrough is almost here. This message is for you, you athletes that are out there. You need to go one more rep, just as hard as your last one, because your competitors are trying to outwork you today. Right now, stay in that gym just a few minutes longer. Go just a little harder, and you will come out on top with the victory. This message is for you. You may be an owner or CEO, and the company may be on the downfall, but that doesn't mean throw in the towel today. Keep going a little stronger. Hold on just a little while longer. I'm telling you, your breakthrough is right around the corner. This message is for you. You just graduated college and you can't seem to find a job, or you don't know what to do next. The job's coming. Don't lose your faith. Don't give up. Don't quit. Ride through this storm, because on the other side, there's sunlight. There's hope. So you will know what it is once you make it. And you can help somebody make it to the other side. This message is for you. If you can hear my voice, it's not over. You're not going out like this. You've got to take a few more steps before you can see just the tip of the iceberg. And then you will have the faith to fight through everything you're going through. There's a reason you had to go through the hurt, through the pain, and you'll find out soon why. because we've all had to go through something to get to where we are. I've gotten messages from individuals saying that if I don't make it, my family will disown me. If I don't make it, I'll just commit suicide. If I don't make it, my children won't eat. If I don't make it, we'll get kicked out of our home. So those of you who are going through anything, stop saying if I don't make it and start saying when I make it. This message is just for you.